What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today I got some quick announcements. The first one being that Native Instruments has dropped another play series, and this one is called Sessions Ukulele. And when I think about that, I think about a Hawaiian type of vibe. So if that is something that you are interested in, then head down to the link in my description and download it today. Also, what I really want to tell you about is Native Instruments is having a sale, but you have to hurry up because it's going to go off sale really quickly. I believe it's October 10th. But don't wait. Just go to the link in the description below and download the hip hop expansions at half price. You heard that right. There are a ton of hip hop play expansions that Native Instruments has created throughout the years. So if you want to take advantage of getting that half price, then go to the link to the description and download them today. Don't wait. There's a limited time only. Again, go download them right now. It's your boy Young Fizz. We will see you on the next video. Also, if you haven't already, check out my last video. I will leave it in the card after this video here. It's your boy Young Fizz. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We out.